Hello all. In this tutorial we'll model and texture a coffee stall in 3dsmax. So let's get started. So very first of all, let's take a reference, go into rendering, view image file, let's go into the desktop and let's take this reference. So definitely we are going to model this. So before that, what we can do over here is like, let's go into rendering. Let's go into customize unit setup, and if you want to set up a units, you can just set up some units over here. Like you can set up the feet and inches over here, and let's go over here. First of all, let's take a plane over here, define a plane, and what would be the size of this? We can define the sizes around let's take the size as over here. That's your height. "12 feet is sufficient for this, and your width will be again your 12 feet, and your base height, let's keep it as 0.3 feet. So that's perfect. If you want to increase it more in the width, that can be increased, so we can keep it to 15 also if you want. After you're done with this, now again I'll go over here on the top view and I'll just scale it, shift and drag and scale this stuff. And let's just push it up. And for this table, I'm going to take the height as 4 feet around. Better. After that, I'll just convert to editable poly. So let's convert this to editable poly and let's give this texture to it. So before doing this, what I can do is like let's give some connects over here and just click OK. So now just go into the polygons, just select one polygons, excluding one of those. So just go on selecting that. Once you're done, and just extrude a bit and just push it out. That's it. Alright. So definitely that would look good over here. So now what I'll do is like I'll just select the top polygons over here and I'll just extrude this up a bit. I'll click OK. Let's go into this view, select this all the faces and extrude it by local normal. That's your for the sitting. Perfect. So let's go to the top view, go into the vertices R and scale it. Select the vertices R and scale it. Select the vertices, scale it. Alright. So once you're done over here in this way, now what I can do over here is like, if you see this over here, you can just push this up. You can just push this up. So again select the polygons of the ground. Just insert this. Okay, just select this. Insert it. And just extrude a bit and isolate that. Alright. So I can just I can just push this inside. Okay. So once you're done with this, you can also achieve this with a texture, not a problem. If you want, you can definitely achieve this. Now what I will do over here is like, I'll just select the top polygons. I'll just go over here and I exclude this, insert a bit and extrude this. So extrude this. Okay. So alright. So let's just push this down and just click OK over here for that. Better. Now what I'm going to do is like want to create. First, let's save this in your coffee stall. So we can make this like, can make this tool over here, can easily make this tool. For making this tool, let's take a, go to the top view and let's take a box over here. So let's just push this box onto the top, scale it. and convert to poly. Select all these edges and give 2 connects. Push it over here. Select this. Give 2 connects. Go into this polygons. Extrude this. Push it down. And just scale it. But how you will scale it is like you can just go to the top view and can just push this a bit out in this way. So select this, push this out in this way. Select this, push this out in this way, and push this out in this way. Push this out. Alright. So we can just go over here and let's put some loops over here. Let's put some loops over here. Just push it in the straight line. Just make it more rounded. Just make it more rounded. So let's go to the top view, and if you want to adjust this, let's take a circle over here and just adjust that circle according to this. So just select this and just adjust it accordingly. Scale it, and I'll go into this rendering, enable in viewport, and just adjust it accordingly. Perfect. So if you want, you can just go into the edges over here and put some connects over here. Again, select this edge and put some connect, and if you go over here and give a mesh smooth, it will definitely give you a good round smooth. So let's go into the top view again, and let's take a cylinder, place in the center of it. Just push this up, reduce the radius of it, just push this up, and again make a copy of that, increase the radius and reduce its height. That's it. Alright. So still you can just push this up, increase its height, and for this let's reduce this, convert to poly, select the edges, control and click on the edge and give a chamfer. Same thing, select this, control and click on the edge and give chamfer. That's it. Alright. So If you see this, this looks to be a bit bigger compared to this. And let's rotate this so that looks much better. Just adjust it accordingly. Let's go into the mesh smooth and just give a color to it. So go over here and just select and resize that stuff. You can just adjust it. Just scale a bit down. Push it at the center of it. So first I'll just delete this and select this edges. Alright. So make sure you're adjusting in such a way so again give a circle right from the top. Alright. Okay, not a problem. Looks better. So just and isolate this and let's just delete this stuff and just push this away. That's it. So just push this down a bit. So let's go over here and let's give some loops to it, and let's give a mesh smooth. Now looks better. Scale this and just push it out. Alright. So just to give any color to it, let's go to the reference over here. Okay, perfect. Now select this and just group this. You can just group it, and you can just multiply this element over here. Select this and shift and drag to make a copy of it. Save your file. Alright. So once you're done with this, now what I'll do over here is I'll just go over here. I'll take a box right from the top view, this size. I'll increase its size around 1.3 feet. And I'll push this above ground. So I need to scale it according to this box. Which box? This box. So this is a plane and this is a box. So it's the bigger box. Okay, so this is a bigger box. So now let's go on to the top, select this. Just right click and freeze the selection. Select this, take one more box. Let's go to the top view and make one more box. And push this up. Alright. Now this looks perfect over here. So let's go into this view and we can just push this down, not much a bit, and just give a color to it. So just increase its height a bit. I'll go into this, convert to poly. I'll select the faces over here, a bit of inset, and extrude this up. That's it. Alright. So we need to make this also. Alright. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.